update. This cracked at the top, so the whole window support had to come out. So what I've decided to do is ditch the flip up. I'll keep it there so it looks scale, but it won't be active, and I've re-carboned the front to strengthen it and re-strengthened it here. So yeah, it's a bit of a mess at the moment. Give it a couple of days and that'll be fine. Onwards and upwards. Well, you know what they say, if you're going to bodge something, bodge it right. As you can see, I've had to strip everything back after sending it off to have the windows done. The paint just was not hardening, and it looks like that what I'd done in my impatience was to not let each layer cure. So what I'd done is I just painted too quickly, and the end result was that the paint was just so soft you could peel it off if you had sharp fingernails. So what I've had to do is literally all that hard work, just literally strip it out and start again. But in my hindsight, or in my stupidity, I thought, oh, what I'll do is I'll soak all the other bits in paint thinner. Well, end result was this happened. It literally destroyed the gel coat. It messed it all up. All the doors fell apart. But I've just spent the week redoing them. And it's actually better than before. So now there is no paint cracking or anything, because all the crap has been taken off, all the rubbish. The doors look brilliant now. As you can see, there's no marks at all, no cracks, nothing. So yeah, big learning curve, a lot of mess, but at least I've learned. And now hopefully the model will look a lot better. But as you can see, the paint thinner got everywhere, so I've got to sort out all of this. So yeah, onwards and upwards hopefully, but it was really annoying. Yeah, I had to redo the tail cone, but that is lighter now once I've removed all the paint. That's been sanded and it's really strong, but it's light, so I'm quite happy with that. What a lot has happened. As I said in the previous video, I had to strip everything down because, like a moron, I decided to use paint thinner to get rid of the paint. So it disintegrated all the doors, as you can see in the pictures. All the hard work that I paid to have done to get the doors fitted, ruined. But onwards and upwards, that's all I keep telling myself. But I would definitely say this has been a learning curve, and I am definitely not a builder. I just love flying them. But saying that, I've just put my head down and just got on with it, and it is now starting to take shape. The windows all fit lovely and nicely, the doors all fit now, really nice. Just waiting for some hinges, as I had to rip all those out. That's all done. I've literally gutted the top, got rid of all of the paint defects and everything else, so stripped it right back to fuselage and to bare fuse, redone some of the gel coat, and also on top of that got rid of all the imperfections. I've ripped out all the wiring because it just untidy and I was in too much of a rush. So it's a bit of my ADHD where I just don't want to wait, but it's cost me. But at least now I'm taking my time, getting on with it, and it is really coming together. Fortunately I had a spare one of these, and as you can see there's no paint issues or defects at all, so hopefully the back end will look just as good. So yeah, so that's all coming together now, and I'm really happy. I've redone the door locks, as I said, redone the nose, and it's looking good now, so I'll do an update later on. Okay, take care.
In between the contrasts of our soul. Get out of your skin. All it is matters. Let it in.
Hello all, right, an update. As you can see, it's a lot better. Stripped it all back, all going well now. Everything fits nicely. The rivets, brilliant, much better at them. They all look good, and the whole machine looks so much more tidier. So yeah, I'm really glad that it's worked out all right.